Once upon a time, a very long time ago, Trainz, the #1 road tank engine, was working on the auto railway before he came to Sodor. Trainz was shutting some trucks for the big boy tank engine, not to mention the big bad tender engine. Woo, 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 screamed the trucks. Come along, come along, come along, says Trainz. Trainz took the trucks to a station where a big boy was waiting. Say, big boy, where are my trucks? Here they are, says Trainz. Thank what? Said big engine. Trainz was soon uncoupled. And big boy was off. Then another tank engine, a 060 South tank engine, was waiting for his express coaches. The coaches were already there at the platform. The South tank engine was coupled up. The passengers got on board. The guard boys whistled. The South tank engine steamed away. Trainz was soon got too busy to work. He arranged the coaches for all the diesel passenger trains on the outer railway.
To a shining time station where dreams can come true, waiting there for you. So much to see.
However, life on the island of Sodor was very difficult. There were only a few engines like Gordon, Edward, and Henry, and the Flying Scotsman.
Who knows how far you'll go? To a shining time station where dreams can come true.
So, the Fat Controller decided to order a new engine. The new engine's name was Trainz, the #1 boot tank engine.
Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome.
After getting used to shutting some coaches and helping out with some troublesome trucks, Trainz was rewarded with his very own pair of coaches and his very own branch line. Trainz thinks that his branch line was very important on the whole railway. His 2 coaches, Annie and Cromwell, agree with him. But sometimes Trainz gets impatient. Like the time when he had to stop at a signal, and he grew very impatient. Come on along now. Why would the signal turn green? Come on now, let's go, let's go! There we are. We're going to be late. Like all the other engines right here on the Fat Controller's railway, Trainz was the #1 boot tank engine on the island of Sodor. Out of them all, to be a very useful engine, and little engines can do big things as well.